There's something special about cooking on a rip-roaring fire. Whether it's grilling meat outside in the heat of the summer or even just firing up a gas stove with some serious BTUs, it imparts a primitive element to your cooking and enhances it.
Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best electric woks in 2023. So let's get started. Number 1. Aroma Housewares 5-quart AEW. The 5-quart capacity electric wok manufactured by Aroma Housewares is a large tool to add in your kitchen. It is designed to heat up quickly and will also retain the high heat whenever you are cooking. Inside this electric wok, it is non-stick coated and comes with a domed lid that makes it informal to clean up. On the other hand, it's perfect for tempura, steaming and braising. The appliance will allow you to make your favorite traditional and modern foods. The cool touch handles and base make it easy to carry the pot. It is also included with tempura rack, steam rack, and chopsticks. Number 2. VonShef 7.4 QT Electric Wok. There is a lot to love about this VonShef Electric Wok. VonShef is a brand that you can rely upon as it delivers quality home appliances that works perfectly. This 7.4 QT capacity aluminum wok has a lot of space that will let you cook enough Asian-style dishes for your family and friends. In other words, the interior of this wok is well coated and non-stick. This prevents food from sticking. The appliance comes with adjustable temperature control that has a rotary dial with fur heating setting. Thus you can select between high, medium, low and warm setting. The heat-resistant silicone handles will let you to safely handle the wok without any burning. Number 3. Aroma Housewares AEW 305 Electric Wok. If you require to stir-fry frequently and you need a less specialized wok, Aroma AEW 305 Electric Skillet is perfect for you. It has a classic dome-shaped design that is ideal for any kind of stir-fry, simmer, or sauté. The convex, wide curve enable great heat circulation for any food that you need to prepare. This appliance comes with a non-stick, smooth coating that enables you to have easy cooking experience every time. There will be no fuss, no mess, and you will always have delicious food. This appliance will heat up more quickly and will also retain the high heat whenever you are cooking. Aside from that, with the proper sealing, the flavor and the nutrients will be retained inside. The appliance is also perfect for tempura, steaming and braising. Number 4. NUWAVE MOSAIC Induction Wok. The NUWAVE MOSAIC Induction Wok set is unlike anything else we've seen, offering versatility, precision, heat patterns, and control that far surpass any other technology out there. With an ability to reach 575 searing degrees Fahrenheit in just a minute, a digital dial panel that adjusts to 5-degree increments as well as time, and 3 wattage settings to choose from, no other competitor comes close to that level of temperature control. The other major differentiator, and the one that puts it over the top, is the round-bottomed, stick-handled carbon steel wok itself. These 3 key features of this 4-quart wok make it capable of emulating real wok cooking like nothing else on the market. Number 5. DiamondForce 4.7-quart Electric Wok. Slightly smaller than its competitors, this electric wok is still no slouch with a 4.7-quart capacity. Nor is it a slouch in terms of performance, with a maximum temperature of 420 degrees Fahrenheit according to the temperature control panel, good heat conduction from the round bottom all the way up the sides, and the brand's longest-lasting non-stick. Oster calls it DiamondForce, a coating that is infused with diamond particles for longevity, durability, and scratch resistance. This also makes for effortless cleanup, which is further supported by the fact that the temperature probe plug is fully detachable. Other safety features to go along with that include cool touch, broad handles, and a tempered glass lid with a knob that also promises to keep from getting too hot to handle. That was our list of the top 5 best electric woks in 2023 just for you.